everyone, welcome back to Single English. In this video, I wanna share with you top 30 common uses of ISRM. You know about ISRM? ISRM all are helping verbs of present continuous tense. Okay, so in this video, I will share with you one by one uses of is, are, and am. Okay, so before starting this lesson, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, you know about ISRM. ISRM or present continuous tense helping verb. But you can use ISRM also single or with a continuous form like ing form. Okay, so but in this video I will share with you complete uses of ISRM. Okay, so here our first use of is first uses of is. Okay, so used with singular nouns or third person singular pronouns like he, she, it. Okay, use of is. Okay, so here used with singular nouns and third person pronoun singular pronouns like he, she, it. For example, first use here, this is very common here. Is a singular verb and is for he, she, it. Okay, like third person pronouns or singular nouns. So here describing people or things. Our first use of is here, describe people or things. So you can use is. For example, she is a doctor. She is a doctor. The sky is blue. This book is interesting. Okay, so here describe people or things you can use is. For example, she is a doctor, the sky is blue, this book is interesting. Okay, this is our first use of is. So let's see next use. Next use is here telling about time. Okay, so whenever you talk about time, okay, so then you can use is. For example, it is 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. It is almost midnight. It is almost midnight. It is time to go. It is time to go. Okay, so you can use is. Next use of is talking about is. If you talk about is, you can use is. For example, he is 5 years old. He is 5 years old. My dog is 2 years old. Okay, the building is 100 years old. The building is 100 years old. The dog is 2 years old. He is 5 years old. Okay, so you can use is. Okay, next use stating location. Okay, for talking about stating location, you can use is. For example, this book is on the table. This book is on the table. My phone is in my bag. My phone is in my bag. Okay, this cat is under the chair. This cat is under the chair. Okay, this is stating location. Okay, stating location never change. Okay, so let's see next use. Next use is here identifying relationships. Okay, to identify relationships you can use is. For example, she is my sister. She is my sister. He is my best friend. And that man is our teacher. Okay, to identify relationships you can use is. This is our fifth use of is. Okay, let's see next use. Next use here talking about weather. If you are talking about weather, you can use is. Okay, like it is hot. It is hot today. It is hot today. It for use a weather things. Okay, and it is very body. It is very body. It is raining outside. Okay, so you can use is to talk about weather. Let's see next use of is. Next use here talking about feelings or emotions. When you talk about feelings or emotions, you also use is. For example, she is happy. He is tired. The baby is hungry. Okay, so here happy, tired or hungry. These are feelings or emotions of a person. Okay, so you can use is. Let's see next use. Next use, talking about awesome sums. Awesome sums. Okay, if you talk about awesome sums, you also use is. For example, my father is a lawyer. My father is a lawyer. She is an engineer. He is a teacher. Okay, when you talk about awesome sums, you can use is for singular person. Okay, or singular pronouns. Okay. Next see, next use. Next is here expressing ownership. Okay, to express ownership you can use is. For example, this is my car. This is my car. This is my pen. This is my bag. Okay, that is my pen. The house, the horse, the house is ours. The house is ours. These kind of examples are very important for us for learning English. Okay, or you can also create new sentences using is. Okay, let's see next use. Next use here, talking about nationality. When you talk about nationality, you can use is. For example, she is Indian. She is Indian. She is American. He is American. My friend is Japanese. Okay, to talk about nationality, you can use is. Okay, so here we have read 10 uses of is. Okay, so next we will see uses of are. Okay, let's see next uses of are. Here you know are is a helping verb of present continuous tense and are used for singular subjects or singular pronouns. Okay, so singular pronouns means like you know you, be, they. Okay, you, be, they are singular pronouns. Okay, so with used with singular nouns or singular pronoun like you, be, they. So let's understand with examples. First, use of are. Here describe people or things. Describe people or things like is. Okay, so here they are students. They are students. We are nervous. The flowers are beautiful. The flowers are beautiful. Here to describe people or things you can use are, but they must be singular or singular pronoun, singular nouns or singular pronoun. Okay, let's see next use. Next use, stating location. Similar is. Okay, so the keys are on the table. But if I talk about is, so we have to make this noun singular. But here keys is a singular pronoun, singular noun here. So we have to use are. Okay, so the children are in the park. The children are in the park. My shoes under the bed. My shoes under the bed. You know, shoes, singular noun here. Children, singular noun here. For singular pronoun, we have to use, for singular noun, we have to use are. Okay, let's see next use. Next use here talking about feelings or emotions. Similar is. Okay, so you know we have used is similar talking about feelings or emotions. Okay, but here all examples with singular nouns or singular pronouns. Okay, so we are excited. We are excited. They are sad. And you are lucky. Okay, you are lucky. They are sad. We are excited. Okay, let's see. Next use here describing conditions. Describing conditions. For example, the roads are bad. The roads are bad. The shops are open. The windows are dirty. The windows are dirty. The shops are open. The roads are bad. Okay, to talk about condition, so we can use are. Okay, let's see next use. Next use here identifying relationships. Okay, to identify relationships you can use are, but singular with singular nouns or singular pronouns. Okay, not singular. They are my parents. We are classmates. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. We are classmates. They are my parents. Okay. So here, let's see next use. Next use is here expressing ownership. Expressing ownership. You can use are. For example, these are my books. These are my books. Those are her shoes. These toys are theirs. These toys are theirs. Those are her shoes. These are my books. Okay, so you can use like this are. Okay, let's see next use. Next use is here to talk about is. To talk about is. Okay, you can use are. For example, we are 20 years old. We are 20 years old. You are 30 years old. You are 15 years old. Okay. My cousins are 10 years old. The twins are 3 years old. The twins are 3 years old. My cousins are 10 years old. Like this, you can use are to express, to talk about is. Okay. Let's see next use. Next use is here to talk about professions. Okay, to talk about professions, you can use are. But here, subject should be singular. Okay, here they are doctors. They are doctors. We are engineers. Okay, you are a chef. You are a chef. We are engineers. They are doctors. You are a children. Okay, so this type. Next see. Next use here talking about nationalities. Talking about nationalities, you can use are. But you know, subject should be singular. Okay, here we are French. Okay, they are Brazilian. Okay, you are Canadian. Okay, so to express nationalities, you can use are, but subject should be singular. Okay, let's see next use. Next use here asking questions. You can use are. Where are you? Where are you? What are they are doing? What are they doing? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? What are they doing? Where are you? Okay. So we have read 10 uses of are. Guys, you understand? Next, let's see uses of I. Uses of am. Okay. So you know am only used with I, not other subjects. Okay, so let's see talking about oneself. First use here of I, of am. Okay, talking about oneself. Okay, for example, I am a student, I am a doctor, I am an artist. Okay, to talk about oneself, you can use am with I. Okay, for example, I am a doctor, I am a teacher, I am an artist. Okay, I am a student. Let's see next use. Here, to talk about feelings or emotions. Talking about feelings or emotions, you can use am with I only. Okay, for example, I am happy, I am tired, I am excited. Okay, I am excited, I am happy, I am tired. Okay, happy, tired, excited, these are feelings or emotions of a person. Okay, so talking about feelings or emotions, you can use am with I. Okay, let's see next use. Next use here talking about location. Talking about location, you can use am with I only. Okay, like I am at home, I am at home, I am in the park, I am in my office, I am in my office, I am in the park, I am at home. Okay, so this tab you can use am with I. Let's see next use. Here talking about is, you can use am. Okay, I am 25-year-old, I am 30 years old, I am 18 years old. Okay, I am 18 years old, I am 30 years old, I am 25-year-old. Talking about is, you can use am with I only. Okay, let's see next use. Talking about nationality. Talking about nationality, you can use I. You can use am with I. Okay, so I am Indian, I am American, I am Japanese. Okay, so this type you can use am with I. Okay, to express or to talking about nationality. Okay, let's see next use. Next use here, describing one's health. To describe one's health, you can use am. For example, I am sick. I am sick. I am feeling better. I am healthy. Okay. To describe one's health, you can use am with I. Okay. Let's see next use. Next use here, talking about present situation. Talking about present situation, you can use am. For example, I am busy. I am free. I am at work. I am at work. I am free. I am busy. Talking about present situation, like I am reading. I am teaching. You are reading. Okay. So you can use am with I to talk about present situation. Okay. Let's see next use. Talking about future. Talking about the future with going to. Okay, so you can use am. For example, I am going to school. I am going to school. I am going to visit my friend. Okay, I am going to watch a movie. I am going to watch a movie. So here, talking about future with going to, you can use am with I only. Okay, so here I am going to school. I am going to visit my friend. I am going to watch a movie. Okay, this type you can use am with I only. Let's see next use. Expressing agreement or disagreement. Okay, expressing agreement or disagreement. For example, I am sure. I am sure. I am not sure. I am certain about this. I am certain about this. Okay, so expressing agreement or disagreement, you can use am with I. Okay, for example, I am sure. I am not sure. I am certain about this. I am sure about that. Okay, let's see next use. Asking questions about oneself. Asking questions about oneself, you can use am with I. For example, am I right? Am I right? Am I late? Am I disturbing you? Am I disturbing you? Am I teasing you? Am I reading? Okay. Am I right? Am I late? Okay. So this type you can use am with I. So guys, we have read complete uses of is, am, are. Okay. So if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I will give you reply definitely. Okay. So if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video very soon.